Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing a pair of prescription glasses. These are from a company called Firmoo, which I believe is a company out of China that does prescription glasses online. I've been ordering my own prescription glasses for quite a while now from online, from a place called Glasses USA here in the US. They have always worked out really well for me, but glasses are not the cheapest thing in the world. So while I'm confident in my prescriptions and I consistently get good prescriptions from the optometrist that I go to, I have a family member who has not had the best of luck with prescriptions in the past. So they basically wanted to try out their prescription on the cheap. So I wanted to give Firmoo a shot and see if the glasses that they make, A, are good quality, and B, are good enough to test out the prescription for this particular family member. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and open the package. This is what the package that I received from them looks like. I'm going to open up the package, take a look at the glasses, give you my first impression, being a glasses wearer myself, on the quality of the frames, the physical build quality of them, and I'm going to hand the glasses over to the family member that I ordered these for in order to get their opinions after wearing them for a little while. So I'll cut back in a minute once I have this package open and show you what they come with. Alrighty, so this is what was in the package after I opened it up. You get a little bag with a screwdriver keychain type of tool, maybe a nice thing to put on your keychain if you have glasses that need adjustment frequently. Inside the bag there's also a couple extra nose pads and a bunch of extra little tiny screws. These are great to have on hand as long as they fit your glasses, because if you are to lose a screw to a pair of glasses, it is often incredibly hard to find a replacement that'll fit. Came with a little bag branded with the Firmoo logo for glasses, just a little soft carrying case, and it came with a hard shell carrying case. Not the highest quality case in the world. That's not what you're paying for. Whenever glasses are this inexpensive, you're not going to be expecting something like that. And it has the pair of glasses that I ordered right here in a little plastic bag. This is pretty typical for ordering glasses online if you've never ordered them online before. And the glasses themselves are wrapped in a little microfiber cloth. There we go. That's the pair of glasses. So first impression, they're quite light. They seem fairly sturdy, just coming from glasses point of view. The hinges seem to work pretty well. Overall, I would say not too bad for as inexpensive as these were. So I'll get you the pricing details for what these cost later on in the video, because I don't remember that offhand right now. And I'll also give you, just for comparison's sake, the pricing for the pair of glasses I wear on a day-to-day basis. But what I'm going to do now is go ahead and hand these off to the family member that I bought them for and see what they think. Well, it's been a few months since we purchased these Firmoo glasses, and we're ready to draw some conclusions about them now. So as far as pros go, the positive aspects of these, they arrived intact. The prescription, according to the person I bought them for, is pretty darn dead on. It's correct. Obviously, that's going to also depend on your optician, but the glasses work for them, so that's always a good sign. They're lightweight, and they're very comfortable. As far as the negatives of these glasses go, they're not too terrible. Number one, the biggest concern was because they're mail order, the stems, the back end of them, where they go around your ears, can't be formed by your optician, and because of that, you may not be able to get a perfect fit. I don't think that's a huge issue with these, but that's just something to consider. You could always probably bring these to an optician. They should be able to form them as well, but again, just something to keep in mind. And in addition to that, with these particular frames, the metal hardware, they said, seems a little bit thin, but it hasn't been an issue yet. To me, I'm used to thin and light glasses, and while these are not certainly by any means multi-$100 pair of glasses, they don't seem like they're going to break down over time. I have ultrasonically cleaned these quite a few times since purchase, and there hasn't been any corrosion issues or anything like that. I know I had seen some concerns online in reviews on Firmoo's website about corrosion and rust and that sort of thing. Haven't had any problems with these. They've been washed and ultrasonically cleaned. Haven't had a problem with that. So overall, if you're looking for a budget pair of glasses, you don't want to spend $200, $300, $400, $500+ on a pair of glasses from your local optician or a Target Optical, something like that, Firmoo is definitely a great option. I know there's other companies out there as well, so do your research, find the best fit for you, but definitely can recommend them from this perspective. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.